Strange and lesser-known traits of macaw parrots. Macaws are among the most dazzling residents of tropical rainforests. With their vibrant plumage, they captivate the eye. But beyond their stunning appearance, they possess remarkable intelligence and social complexity. Often kept as exotic pets, these birds have a wild nature filled with surprises. Here are some of the strangest and lesser-known characteristics of macaw parrots that make them truly extraordinary. To begin with, macaws are highly intelligent creatures. Studies have shown that some macaws possess cognitive abilities comparable to that of a 5-year-old child. This means they don't just mimic sounds, they can engage in complex problem-solving, make simple plans, and understand basic cause and effect relationships. For instance, when presented with a puzzle toy, they may try different strategies to achieve their goal. Some individuals have even been known to use over 100 words appropriately in context. Their foot structure is another unique feature that sets them apart from most other birds. Macaws have what's called zygodactyl feet. 2 toes point forward and 2 point backward. This configuration gives them an impressive grip, allowing them to grasp objects much like a human hand. Many macaws can hold fruit or nuts with their feet while using their beaks to eat. Interestingly, studies have shown that some macaws display handedness, favoring one foot over the other, much like being right or left-handed in humans. Their beaks are also incredibly powerful, not just visually imposing but functionally impressive. The average macaw can exert a bite force between 300 and 400 psi pounds per square inch, which is similar to the jaw strength of a small dog. This powerful beak allows them to easily crack hard-shelled nuts like walnuts or almonds. It also serves as a third limb to help them climb and manipulate objects. In terms of social behavior, macaws are deeply bonded animals. In the wild, they often live in flocks, but what's especially fascinating is their strong pair bonding. Once a macaw chooses a mate, it usually stays loyal for life. These bonded pairs eat together, groom each other, and constantly communicate through vocalizations. This kind of lifelong partnership reflects a high level of emotional intelligence and social commitment. Another curious behavior observed in the wild occurs when it rains. Some macaws appear to dance in the rain, spreading their wings and flapping joyfully as water pours down. This behavior may serve multiple purposes: hygiene, temperature regulation, and perhaps even a social or playful ritual. Watching them engage in this rain dance is both amusing and awe-inspiring. Even more astonishing is the discovery that macaws may have their own names. Researchers have observed that individual birds within a flock use unique vocal signatures to identify each other. These distinct calls function much like names, and specific birds respond only to their own signature sound. This complex vocal communication highlights a sophisticated level of social awareness and individual identity. Their diet also includes a peculiar habit: eating dirt. In regions like the Amazon rainforest, macaws frequently consume mineral-rich clay found on riverbanks, known as clay licks. This behavior helps them neutralize toxins from certain fruits or seeds and supports healthy digestion. It's a fascinating example of instinctive self-medication in the animal kingdom. Lastly, it's important to mention how loud these birds can be. Macaws are incredibly vocal and can produce screams that exceed 100 decibels, similar to the roar of a motorcycle. While this serves a practical purpose in the wild, helping flock members stay in contact over long distances, it can be a major challenge for anyone trying to keep a macaw in a domestic environment. Macaw parrots are not only beautiful to look at, but also incredibly complex and intelligent animals. Learning more about them opens a window into the wonders of nature, reminding us just how strange, smart, and fascinating wildlife can be.